Okay, welcome to our marketing and sales tutorial for the JA Titan tutorial. So to start with, I'm going to go to the marketing and sales tab at the top of the screen and it changes to the purple screen. Again, notice your budget that's available here, and then you've got your buttons along the side for report, branches, and then market research and advertising. Now, currently, I don't have anything going on in terms of marketing because we haven't done any research yet. So I don't have that available to me, but I know that marketing is a big piece of what I need to do, especially now that I'm getting started with my cell phone company. So I'm going to first build myself a branch and I'm going to max out very high operations. I need marketing working overtime to get my name out there. Now I have to keep an eye on my budget. So notice my budget is a little bit bigger. And I'm already spending $145,000. So I need to keep an eye on this so that I don't go over budget. So now I've got my branches taken care of. I could then go and build an additional branch. And remember, these branches will be available in the next quarter. So they don't help me now, but they will help me in my next turn. So then if I click on market research and advertising, on the right-hand side, it shows me my team allocation, just like it did in R&D. So at this point, I have 0 teams assigned to anything within marketing. I have five available to me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just focus on demographic A. So over here on the left, demographic A, I need to know what are they looking for in terms of features. I also need to know what are they looking for in terms of price, and I need to advertise to them so they come and buy my phones. Well, I still have 2 teams left, so I'm going to go ahead and choose advertising for each of these. Get the word out there. That's going to help me increase my sales. But remember, I'm not doing any research here for this, so I'm not going to know what they're looking for. So you have to look at your strategy. Do you want to do research up front? Do you want to do advertising up front, or do you want to do a mix? So I'm just choosing advertising just for this tutorial, but you can choose whatever works for you. So now you can see my total cost here is at $25,000, and available cash, I still have $180,000 to work with. Because marketing is so important, I'm going to go ahead and build another branch. So next turn, I have 2 branches now available to me. So I'm going to come back to market research after the next quarter so that I can see what the research has said and make some decisions there.